Hello guys, me again. It finally arrived. So this is just an unboxing for you guys. That what I bought. These are the eBay headers from England. It's just the same, China or England or whatever. It's just on eBay, but you're damn cheap. So I'm gonna do an unboxing. It's still in the original wrapper. This is for my address, so it doesn't important. So let's stir it up. Got a knife? Tear it up. Need a sharper knife. The plastic's too thick. We all know that the boxes from China are too small, so they're always lined a little bit. So let's open up and let's see what's inside. Ooh. Let's be careful. Just put everything in the bag. This is empty. You see the box from eBay are always too small. See what's inside in here. Nice. They're all wrapped separately. Whoops. Springs. So here's everything packaged. Springs and a cap for the sensor, but I don't need this. So I'm now gonna opening everything up. So here's all of them. Of course, with the eBay headers, no instructions, none. But I have a few concerns. I know what it was, but you see here, maybe it's strong enough, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna maybe weld these up better. What do you think? Also these ones here, you're not welded, and I know the expensive ones from Black Widow or Aquapovic, they weld these fully completely up. These are just tags, and I'm not sure if they are strong enough. Here also, you see it better. You see the just tags, and I'm not sure how strong they are. So maybe I'm gonna weld these at work with a TIG welder for more solid connection. You're all of them. So that's why they are so cheap. For the rest, the welds are fine here. Very fine. You're good. And also why they are cheap. These are not pipes, but tubes. See in here? Not sure you can see it very well. Wait a second, I'm gonna take a light and then you can see it better. You see why they are so cheap? These are normally plates, and then put it in a machine and then they weld it inside. You can see it. You can't see it over here because they are polished. But in here, and that's why you can't see it, and maybe the more expensive ones, they are specially made. But these are not completely tubes. This was flat, rounded with a machine, and then welded inside. So that's why. And then inside it's good. It's welded inside also. So it's not that bad. Here's the same. Here's another one. You're pretty sharp. Not that badly made. It's pretty dusty. You see? And not in what area they are working. But wall thickness is good. I'm gonna measure it now. Okay, wall thickness. Get a measuring tool. And I can feel some burrs in here. Cannot see with the camera. But you can feel some burrs. Not that smooth. So maybe with a grinder or with a file you can get these out. But wall thickness, I measured almost, and it was 1.2. Focus. It's 1.2 millimeters, I believe, with the burrs. So it's not that bad. But for the real test, is it really stainless? So I got a very strong magnet here. You know these guys. And for the test, got a bolt. So it's really... holy crap. Mayday, mayday. Okay. So this is a very strong magnet. And why they are so cheap, I'm not sure. But is it really stainless? Maybe, I'm not sure. But we're gonna test it out for you guys. So, when it sticks, ooh, nice. Sorry for my, it's cold, it's almost winter time. It doesn't stick. So it's all stainless. Okay. Doesn't stick. It's okay, it's stainless. That's I'm glad about it, because you have different kinds of stainless. Maybe it's with a special mix of a little bit of steel or whatever. Now for the springs, but I'm not sure they are stainless. Ooh, they stick. But I'm not sure it's normal if they must stick, or because stainless have no spring, or I'm not sure. So maybe these rust away, or I must buy good ones. Oh crap! I'm gonna rip the back. Oh, finally. So, okay, these are not stainless, but and normally they come with a rubber, or what is it? So, okay. So, okay, you guys, I'm gonna put it together now and see how it looks. There are no instructions, so I'm not sure. It's a little bit of try and error. You have pictures of it, so there are no numbers on it from 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a little bit, yeah, for a stick for a few cents. It was better. I'm gonna try. Okay, 5 minutes. I didn't put the springs on because I'm gonna take it out again, but it's pretty easy. This is how it is. It looks pretty decent. It feels heavy, so it's not that bad. I'm not gonna put the burrs off because then the fitment is better. But for the rest it looks decent. I'm not sure you can help me, guys, but must I take the welds better here? Are they strong enough? Some guys broke them, I'm not sure. Maybe I'm gonna weld these. The welds here are good, not that bad. Fitment, it's alright. Also over here, must I weld these better? They're more strong enough? I'm not sure. For the rest it looks decent. The more expensive ones, or put gas in here and then they weld them up for less lamination, or what's it called. So this is just slapped together, welded. Fuck it, so that's how they do it. But for the rest, and they clean these up, so it's, and they put it in a bath, so it's in a special coating, and they weld these smaller ones up. I go to Black Widow, and but these are Chinese because for the headers they are exactly the same. The expensive ones are a little bit better made, but for the rest the bends are the same, the diameters are the same. So the Chinese part, I bought this for 170 euros. Normally they are on 260 euros, $260. But with special discounts and with the holidays now, then they do special prices. So, and these are the eBay ones. The Black Widow exhaust tips, but I'm gonna do are the real ones because they are, I think, more hotter, and I do not want the rattly sound. So okay guys, this is just an unboxing, a small review or what it's called. Maybe if you say, okay, you don't need to fix the welds, then I'm gonna put it tomorrow. But I'm gonna see. There is a video coming soon for installing these. And then I'm gonna measure the wall thickness, the diameter for the OEM ones, or these ones, or they're a little bit bigger. I hope so. But let's see what it is. Okay guys, thanks a lot, and if you like the video, okay, put a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.